Hey guys! Today I'm going to show you how to create a floating up text effect. The tool we'll be using today is Adobe After Effects 2025. First, let's open Adobe After Effects 2025 and create a new composition. Set the composition settings to 1920 by 1080 at 60 frames per second. Then, create a new solid layer and choose blue as the color. Use the Type tool to type in your desired text, and use the Align panel to center it. Press U to reveal the text layer properties, and add a position animator. Then, within the same animator group, sequentially add opacity and tracking properties. First, set the position value to 150, opacity to 0%, and tracking to -60. In the range selector, set a keyframe for the start parameter. Move the current time indicator to 1 second and 30 frames, then change the start value to 100%. Select the keyframes and press F9 to apply easy ease. Open the graph editor. Check the speed graph and adjust the curve so that the animation starts slow, speeds up in the middle, and slows down again at the end. Next, add another tracking animator to the text layer. Set a keyframe for the tracking amount. Move to the 3-second mark and change the value to 20. Select all keyframes and press F9 to apply easy ease. Open the graph editor once more and shape the speed curve similarly, slow, fast, slow. Then, drag these two keyframes slightly earlier on the timeline so that this tracking animation blends smoothly with the initial float-up motion. Now, duplicate the text layer by pressing Ctrl+D. Scale up the duplicated layer and place it below the original text layer. Apply the drop shadow effect to this copy. Increase the softness to 200 and change its text color to match the background color. And that's it. Our floating up text animation is complete. That wraps up today's tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.